How can we know that the call received for collective activities are from psychic being? Sometimes we get a strong call from within for any collective activities, which lasts for months. And also a clear indication comes about what to do and how to do. But during its materialization, we slowly lose our zeal to continue because of the discouraging attitude shown by others. Under this situation, is it prudent to stop or continue such collective activities? Initial stage of sadhana, we cannot know that from where our inspiration is coming, whether it is coming from our ego or some other force or from psychic being, we cannot know. In our initial infant stage of sadhana, we cannot know from where it is coming. But if we can continue with our imperfect call or inspiration with sincere consecration to the mother, our intuition will grow. Whatever inspiration is coming to us, if we try to materialize it sincerely, that will increase our power of intuition. You will know slowly you will know from where the inspiration is coming. Everything, it will become clear day by day. But whatever inspiration is coming to you, you try to materialize it at your own level. That is the first thing. In proportion as our surrender increases, the divine power takes the possession of our mental, vital and physical adhara. So where we are, we have to start our sadhana. Whether the inspiration is coming from our psychic being or not, this will not, you will not know initially. You have to sincerely do with complete surrender, surrendering to the mother, and do whatever inspiration is coming to you. Then you will slowly grow and you will know, and your adharas will be possessed by the mother and Sri Aurobindo slowly. And if we lose our zeal to give the shape our inspiration because of others, because others are not interested, that is why I am also not getting interest. Mother says no. Without blaming others, we have to intensify our aspiration and willpower. If others are not helping us, if they are not cooperating, then there is something to be improved in myself, that is intensity of our aspiration, because they are not feeling my aspiration or inspiration, because there is no intensity in me. So I am blaming that he is not cooperating. Why he is not cooperating? Because he is not feeling what you are feeling within yourself. Because your inspiration is so weak that you only realize, but other people are not realizing. So instead of blaming others, if you intensify your aspiration, then they will also feel. And then the cooperation will come spontaneously. It will take time, but it will come. So the first thing is that without blaming others, if they don't cooperate, we have to increase and intensify our aspiration and willpower. But apart from that, there is another reason why the moment we want to materialize, we lost the zeal to work. There is a deeper reason for that. That is, Mother said that in the history, nobody made this adventure. This adventure means manifestation of the divine in the physical. So it is completely a difficult work. Nobody has touched there. Everybody has done sadhana to escape from the material world. The matter is left by itself. So once we try to do material work for the divine, so it is so hard, so resisting, that we lose our zeal. That is the reason Mother said, even initially, while sadhana was done in the vital level at the ashram, that was known as golden period of ashram, because people were doing so much of work without any tiredness. But after, when the sadhana came down to the physical level, everybody felt that now that sadhana is very difficult. But Mother said that if we had stopped there at the vital level, we could have started a big religion or vast organization, just like people are doing, we are seeing. A very big organization could have been possible if we could have continued at the sadhana at our vital level. But the real work would have been left unattempted and unachieved. The real work means the transformation work would have been not possible. But here means the difficulty starts. At the same time, Mother says the divine is also with you, and if you practice, in spite of a lot of difficulties, you will get the inspiration directly from the Mother, because she wants this work. So definitely she will give you all. Difficulties are there. Whenever any work is done physically, difficulty will come, especially physically done for the Mother. Difficulties will come because this material earth is possessed by the hostile beings. They don't want to leave it. The moment you want the material world for the divine, Mother says, the enemies of the divine will stand against you. Enemies of the divine, ordinary people, enemies, no, they are not ordinary enemies. The enemies of the divine will stand against you. So it is there, but the divine will be with you. So naturally we have to proceed. There is no question that because there are difficulties, because others are not cooperating, that will come. But in spite of that, you have to continue, because that work alone is meaningful, and divine wants that work from us. That is what you have to do. Victory is certain, but through so many difficulties you have to pass through, and those difficulties will prepare us, make us capable to do that work.